This is a mushroom. Yeah? And I'm gonna wear the mushroom for you. So, 짠짠! I think they are matchy-matchy. Prada's new pattern, Starbucks new bottle. I am going to interview the Bossa Nova queen, Lisa Ono. I'm gonna wear this. Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. It is the unboxing for May. Are you ready? May is a very special month. It's a celebration of mother. Alright? My mom is currently in China, Shanghai. And you know, the entire city has been closed. So I can't really celebrate love with her. I can't even send her any gift because nobody gonna deliver that to her. So it's time to celebrate me. Cause I am a mother of 4 children, is it? Now I wanted to unbox with you what I've got for this month. I haven't got much. I wanted to actually share with you some technology stuff. This month I have invested a lot of money onto things that I have never bought before. You may know that I'm a pianist, classical, neoclassical, but I have never done anything crazy, right? But recently, since I am traveling overseas and I got time to get quarantined, I have invested some pieces that during my quarantine time, I can study how to produce some very cool music. So first of all, I have this pair of headphones. And it's the MC100 Studio Monitoring Professional Closed Back Headphones. And as you can see, cha-cha! And when I wear it, I basically can block all the sound apart from focusing on producing my music. So cool. And if you're doing lots of music production or music producing or composition, you might know this Novation Launchpad Mini. You can have drum sound and key sound, which is like keyboard, right? So this is a new technology, and for people who are trying to make some more fun with your music. Apart from that, I had this amazing keyboard. I can't wait to share with you. It is the Nord, N-O-R-D. I guess most of you might know this brand. It's been there for ages, and I can't wait to have this keyboard on the stage. It's the Nord Electro 60. So, oh, it's a bit heavy. Now we can look at this one. There is 66 keys on this keyboard. Yeah, it's not 88, so it's not the full size. But this keyboard basically can make any sound you can think about, and it can have all those like reverb sound to actually produce something rather than classical piano sound on this. Maybe I can make a theme song and also a sound engineer. So I want to try it. So this is gonna be my good friend for May. I'm gonna basically sleep with it. Okay? Very good. All right, next bit is, look what I'm wearing today, a beret. You know, I wear a lot of beret, but I recently found this brand. It's called franchisisland.com. And I got this, oh my goodness, look at this. This is a mushroom, yeah? And I'm gonna wear the mushroom for you. So, 짠짠! And this is an apple. It's good for autumn because in Australia it is autumn. It's a bit chilly and cold during the morning at night time. And I think the made of the wood will very comfort me from the head to my toes. So. Alright, and also I got some very cute bags which can't fit anything. Look at this from Celine. So what do you think I can put it in? Maybe my iPod? Maybe my key? But I think I just put love into it, so I can feel the love. I can feel the love. It's here. Okay? And also I got this bag from Belated, which is also very small, tiny. And maybe this one can fit a little bit more. I can put all of my phones in it. But I just love it. It's very cute. Chan-chan! Chan-chan! Very cute. You agree? Alright. Now, let's move it to Prada. And I picked this bag. Apparently, it is a limited edition from Prada for this season. And there are only 2 in the entire Australia, according to the sale. So, dun-dun-dun-dun. Are you ready to unbox this cutie with me? Ta-ta! It is in apple green. Isn't it cute? And it's a special collection with all the crystals on it. And I can fit most of my stuff in it. And also I got this for my hair. Yes. But also I can wear it on my wrist. And also I got this from Prada as well. So it makes me very bling bling. But on the top of it, I also got a vest. Everybody look. Look how shiny I am. I am shining, I am shining. Can you see? Can you see? Shining, 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 shining. Here I go, here I go. Prada, the pop-up store, also gave me this very special candy from Europe. And the sales told me that they recently purchased this brand from Europe. They make those special lollies and they are very soft and come with different shapes. And also to celebrate the pop-up store, they had this customized made mug, crystal mug with the straw. You can drink water. Super. All right. Now, also I find this Starbucks new bottle, and it's actually cross Kate Spade. I really love it. Do you know why? Hey guys, look. I think they are matchy-matchy. Prada's new pattern, Starbucks new bottle. I've got this very comfy skirt and match with the very comfy vest. And also, I had this very, very cute Paris top. I will put a link of the name at the bottom. And then match with this skirt. Everybody have a look. And also, I had this Chanel vest I've been waiting for a year. I don't know why it took so long, but it looked very classic. I'm planning to wear it during my media conference in Taiwan at the end of May. I am going to interview the Bossa Nova Queen, Lisa Ono. I'm gonna wear this. I'm gonna look formally serious. And lastly, I wanted to introduce this dress with you from Celine. I think it's so elegant and I can't wait to wear it for my next performance. Ladies and gentlemen, let's have a look. A very nice bow if you want, simply by making it here. Yeah? So this is maybe my #1 pick for May. And it's gonna be fitting the weather in Taiwan because I am traveling to Taiwan. The next video you're gonna see, I'm gonna be in quarantine. Okay guys, that's it for my May unboxing episode. What I wanted to tell you is make sure you buy something for your mom. Make sure you buy something for your loved one. May is the month of love. And I will see you next month. Please make sure you follow my socials below, like or share my video to your friends, and also press the bell button on the top, ding dong, to make sure you get all the updates from my videos. So I will see you next time. Bye. Bye 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 bye.